Hello people, welcome back to my channel. So this is the bass that I built yesterday. It's a crazy headstock I'm creating. We're going to cut that out. Yes. And it obviously looks like a music band, but it's a Harley Benton MB. Now the way this is set up, just so you're aware, it has 2 volume and 1 tone, but because this is 2 volumes and 1 tone, you can actually split this pickup to get different sounds. That pickup. So yeah, it's pretty cool. All right, I'll just let you hear it. You know, just split first, split next, going through treble full on, detent, bass full in. First one's just going to be split at the back. And this is detent. This bass full in. Right, treble all the way out. Just the front end of the pickup. And a detent. And bass full in. Treble all the way out. Both pickups full on. Detent. Bass full in. Yeah, so Harley Benton, it's called an SB or an MB, SB something or other. Anyway, it's a Harley Benton kit for a Music Man looking bass guitar. And yeah, there it is. 4 bolt-on neck, 1 pickup, split, nice bridge, nice fat bridge, shaped like the Music Man bridge. All electronics are fairly quiet. And I didn't have to shield anything. I probably will shield it in the future. I just wanted to get it together and get it done. I got it for Christmas and my wedding anniversary, so pretty excited about putting something together myself for the first time. This is the first time I ever put together a bass guitar by myself. Well, my daughter helped me with the finish. But yeah, take care of people. Get yourself